And here's I will show you how to reactivate a Blue Sky account. First of all, open Blue Sky, and here you directly jump into sign in page. Tap on sign in, and now here tap on the account that you want to reactivate, or if you don't see the account here, then tap on other account. Now all you have to need in this username or email field, you have to add your Blue Sky account username or email address, which account you want to reactivate now. And enter here your account password. And then just tap on next. And here we can see welcome back. You previously deactivated this account. You can reactivate your account to continue logging in. Your profile and post will be visible to other user. Just tap on yes, reactivate my account. And after a few seconds, your Blue Sky account will be reactivated. Now go ahead and use your Blue Sky account. Thanks for watching.